This video will show you how to update inventory and price sync from Channel Manager. AxisRooms lets you update inventory and price sync from Channel Manager. Let's see how. Hello everyone, today I will be showing you on how to, or what exactly does the option do in AxisRooms Channel Manager. So the rates and inventory sync option in Channel Manager. It plays an important role in managing the hotel distributions effectively. This option ensures a real-time synchronizations of hotels' rates. Inventory across all the connected OTA letters. It prevents overbooking. Maintain rate parity and also a real-time update. So now let's see how exactly the sync option work. You can find the sync option in the rates and inventory calendar. This is how the recent inventory calendar looks like. And you can see the sync option below. The inventory and pricing. Mainly this option is used when a hoteliers come across the disparity or overbooking. What needs to be done at the time is just click on sync. So once you click on sync, you will be redirected to inventory sync and rates and inventory sync page. So as you can see here, so this is how exactly the rates and inventory sync page looks. If you wish to sync only rates, then you need to unclick inventory. If you wish to sync both inventory and reads together, you can do that as well. So now let's see how to sync only reads. So just click on read start date and end it. For example, I wish to sync the rates for 3 months, maybe from today till the month of October. Just select the date range, and you can see you have all 3 options like room types, channels and rate plans. So to select the room type, click on the drop down, and you can see all connected rooms. So if you wish to sync rates for all these connected rooms, all these for room categories, just select all. If not, select whatever room you wanted to sync the rates for. So I will be selecting all the room categories, and then you also can select the particular OTAs. Maybe I wish to sync the rates only for Agoda, then select Agoda in case if you wish to sync rates for all the category, all the OTA letters, just select all the same way. You can click on rate plan as well. You can select the rate plan as well. So click or unclick any meal plan you wish to sync the rates. So I will be selecting all. Then once you fill all this details, you can start sync. So once you click on start sync, you will be having an instant log in front of you. So this is the log page, so where you can see you have synced the rate successfully or pushed the rate successfully on Simplitel and all the other connected OTAs, which means it is successfully pushed. So in case if the status is still on process, it means you need to wait till it get completed. And if the status is failed, then you need to get this checked. This is how you sync the rate. Same way if you wish to sync the inventory, just click on inventory. Then click on save. So when does this inventory sync works? But if there is any overbooking, or also if you unblock the channel, you can come here and seek the inventory, where this inventory will be pushed successfully to the OTAs. So here as well you can just select the date range, start date and end date. Select the room category. You can unselect and select the room category. Also you can select and select the channels. Once you have updated all these things, just click on Start Sync. So again you will be redirected to the log page. You can see if the rates is successfully pushed to this OTA. If it is completed again, it means it is successfully pushed onto the OTAs. So this is how you can sync rates and inventory via Channel Manager AxisRooms. That brings us to the end of this video on how to update inventory and price sync option.